Listen closely. You can hear two hens fly in over top of me and land right in front of me. Actually, those two hens, Jake and Gobbler, did not have anything to do with me or my decoy and left the field. So I got bored with the field hunting and headed to the woods. Okay. Day 3. That other 2-year-old standing up there looking at me. Day 3, and I got it done without a blind or anything. That's pretty slick. I haven't been here but about an hour. This bird, 2 birds came off this point out here. Didn't make a sound. They just came sneaking in. I'm happy about that. Hi. Let's just see what the bird looks like. The 3rd day of Tennessee turkey season. I set up this morning on fields, as you can probably see. Had some hens fly into me. Had some gobblers come in the field with me, but they were here with hens and they just wouldn't come away from them. Came up around on top of the mountain. These turkeys were coming up the mountain. So I thought, well, I'll just try to cut them off. So I did. Got up here and called a little bit, sat, and I looked through the woods and here they came. Nice 2-year-old bird. Dropped him. I mean, got the kill shot on this one. I mean, it just, I use those heavy shot Magnum blends. I think they're 6, 7, and 8s or 5, 6, 7s. Boy, it just knocks them. And that was probably, 30 yards. But anyway, it's a great day. It's Monday, the 6th of April. I hope everybody's having a great season, a safe season. I hope everybody's staying well, staying away from the coronavirus, and I better head home and clean this bird. Thanks for watching.